Hello, welcome to another video from Maven Profcon Services. The video is on the topic how Maven helps you in maintaining QMS documentation. Before getting into the details how Maven is going to assist you in maintaining your QMS documentation, let me brief you on our AMC department. AMC department, a division of Maven. AMC, that is Annual Maintenance Contract, is an inseparable department of Maven that takes complete charge of your quality management system and ensures all the regulatory requirements are met. Not surprisingly, we are going through a transition period in accordance with the rapidly changing regulations, and it has become difficult for organizations to comply with the same. Therefore, many manufacturers find it as a burden to have competent regulatory and QA personnel to take care of these ever so demanding necessities. We at Maven have a dedicated AMC team for you to cater to such needs and ensure smooth functioning of your organization. Let's take a look at the services of AMC department. Customized AMC services as per client needs, updating and maintaining QMS, conducting IQA and MRN, conducting mock audit, support during external audit, visit for audit preparation, resolving non-conformities and suggesting appropriate CAPA, updating and maintaining technical documents, monthly reminder on collecting feedback, monthly monitoring of feedback and complaints data, suggesting CAPA for the complaints, early reminder on expiration of certificates and agreements, guiding on validation processes, country registrations, monthly trainings, providing post-market surveillance reports, PSUR, evaluation of PMCF data, and updating clinical evaluation reports. Are you tired of managing the QMS documentation? Do not worry. Maven is here to help you out in various ways. Maintenance of QMS documents. Documentation is an important part of the quality management system. At the same time, maintenance of this documentation is a tedious activity. With the services of our AMC team, this activity no longer remains a pain. For our existing clients, we review their entire QMS at regular intervals and make sure that the documented procedures are in line with their workflow and applicable regulations. For our new clients, we initially review their entire QMS documents thoroughly and understand requirements of the respective organization. Simultaneously, we identify the gaps and verify if the documents meet the latest applicable standard or regulatory requirements. Eventually, we update the documents wherever necessary. In this way, it is ensured that your QMS documents are fit for the purpose so that you can deliver quality product or the service to the customer. Making documents in line with applicable standards and regulations. It is ideal to monitor regulatory updates on a regular basis so that you can evaluate the changes and take necessary actions accordingly. Keeping track of these updates is involved with numerous challenges. The manufacturer has not identified all the requirements or not able to understand them properly. The changes are either identified too late or too infrequent, that is, during or nearing the audit. Quite often, an appropriate analysis of what the changes are and an assessment of what they mean is not carried out. Team monitors whether any new regulation have been introduced. They do not evaluate its overall impact on the quality management system. With the services of our AMC team, you can easily overcome these challenges. Our team continuously monitors regulatory websites, applicable standards, and guidelines, identifies the changes, performs gap analysis if required, identifies the documents to be updated, informs the client about the change and its effect, updates the document, provides the document and trainings to the client, periodic trainings on the updated regulations, standards, and guidelines. Our AMC team provides training for our clients to keep them updated with applicable regulatory requirements, interpret the requirements mentioned in the standards and guidelines, implement and maintain a quality management system. We design our trainings in such a way that you can interpret requirements as per your organization's demand. These trainings are delivered in person or online as required by the client. Additionally, training is arranged for a particular client with an adequate number of participants. Furthermore, we share the training material and the certificates to all our enthusiastic participants. Now, we don't just update the documents remotely. Rather, we even verify the implementation at your end. Site visits. The AMC team of Maven plans and visits the client site to verify the implementation of quality management system. Our AMC team verifies the following: correct revision status of and changes to the documents are identified, relevant version of applicable documents are available at the point of use, documents are legible and readily identifiable, documents of external origin are identified and their distribution is controlled, documents are not damaged, obsolete documents are not in use. Notwithstanding, one or more qualified and experienced auditors are made available to you to conduct internal audits of your system and provide unbiased reports. We provide input to the client on improving the system and documentation as per the auditor's remark as well as our observation during the visit. Meet the team. For each AMC client, a team of 2 people is allotted to update, review, and manage the QMS documentation. Our team is highly experienced and provides valuable input into optimizing system to ensure a high-quality output. Let's hear out what our domestic and international clients have to say about us.
We need a professional consultancy services who can take care of our regulatory compliance with a timeline and by providing the value addition to our business so that we can focus on our business growth and development, and by not occupying ourselves into the compliance matter. So in that case, we are getting wonderful services from Maven. Actually, we have a long association with them, and it has been proved a great value for our company. Definitely recommend Maven as a business partner for your regulatory compliances. Each and every member of their team is providing very personalized services. So definitely advise all of you to take their consultancy services. Thank you.
Since 2020, due to evolution of European standard, MDG into EUMDR, and in the case of our EC certification renewing, we decided to be in touch with Maven company to help and support our quality department in the establishment of technical file. We gave to them the mission to establish clinical evaluation of some project. We have been very satisfied by the quality of work that they given. We had a very good synergy between our both team. Maven has been autonomous. They respect daily. Thanks to that, we have obtained our EC certification. We will not hesitate to entrust them with new mission on specific subjects in the future.
Thank you for watching the video and welcome aboard to the hassle-free journey of QMS maintenance.